Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to attach the Magsafe battery pack now. First, make sure your iPhone supports Magsafe and the pack has some charge. Low battery prevents connection. Remove or use a thin case and position the pack squarely in the center of the phone's back. The magnets snap it into place. Once aligned, wake the phone so the screen can show charging feedback. This initial alignment is crucial because the hardware only starts reporting charge. Once done, check the lock screen. You should see a lightning bolt on the battery icon or a MagSafe charging banner. Next, pull down Control Center or view the batteries widget to confirm both iPhone and MagSafe pack percentages. This shows actual current flow. You can also listen for the soft connection sound and feel the magnetic hold. These reinforce that power transfer is active. If the pack is powering the phone, the pack percent will slowly decrease, while phone percent rises or holds. To finish, let the devices sit. Charging may be slower when in use. If you don't see charging indicators, reseat the pack and remove cases or card sleeves that block contact. Make sure the pack itself is charged. If that fails, plug the battery pack into Lightning briefly to wake its electronics, and make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS. Restart the phone if indicators still won't appear. Then contact Apple support if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.